Today, we are going to convert a single page website into a multi-page website using OfficeIQ Studio. So, this is the site we created and published earlier. You can see the live now status here, which means it's already live. To add more pages, go to the pages section, click on add new page. Let's create a contact us page. Write your requirements and then press enter. Wait for a few minutes and your contact us page will be generated. You can preview the page from here. If you want to make any changes to your website, click on edits, or you can also use the AI assistant to ask for changes or improvement. If you want to change any image, just go to the media section. Here in the recent images, you will see all the images that you have used before, or you can search any relevant image from the search bar, or you can upload your own image also. Once you have selected the image, adjust it as needed and then click save. Then hit save changes and all the changes will reflect instantly. Next, go to the menu section to arrange the order of your pages. Right now the order is home, contact us and then about us page. So we will move the about us page above contact us using the arrow buttons on the right side. You will see the navigation bar update accordingly. If there is a drop down for any page that does not have sub pages, you can remove it from here. To remove any page from the menu, click on the cross icon next to it. If you want to undo all changes, click reset to default. To save your new navigation, click save navigation. Now go back to the pages section. Here you will see the contact us page. Click on edit. Inside you will see the publish button. Click on it. Then click deploy now. Your page is now deployed. It might take a minute or two to reflect. Now go back to the home page. Click on the URL of your website and there it is. Your multi-page website is now live. You can see all your pages here: home, about us, contact us, fully created and published in minutes. In the next video, we will discuss the workspace feature of OfficeIQ Studio and see how to use it to create your website.